Snap and Flow by DeVilbiss Automotive Refinishing is a convenient paint system that lets you mix, connect, and spray, all with one disposable cup, lid, and filter system. Snap and Flow is easier to use with fewer steps, quicker cleanup, and less waste. This innovative system is designed to create a constant flow of paint from the cup through the gun. This results in better color matching and a significant savings in paint. Here's how to use Snap and Flow. Place the appropriate Snap and Flow adapter onto the spray gun using a large crescent wrench. Take a Snap and Flow disposable mix cup and place on the mixing scale. Add your paint components into the cup. Watch the scale for the correct amounts. Do not fill past the fill line on the cup. If you will mix the components by stirring, you can do that now. If your paint product requires shaking, here are the steps. Place a flat lid on the cup. It will snap in place. Place the Snap and Flow shaker adapter over the flat lid. It provides a tight friction fit. Place this in the shaker. When the mixing is complete, remove it from the shaker. Remove the shaker adapter and then the flat lid. Let's get ready to paint. Get the desired Snap and Flow disposable vented lid from the carton. These lids come in different sizes to match the cup capacity, 15 or 32 ounces. Each size is available with the filter options of 125 or 200 microns. If your material doesn't need the filter, you can remove it by pulling on this tab near the stem. Place the lid on the cup and firmly apply pressure around the perimeter of the lid. You should hear a snap, which indicates a secure seal. To attach the spray gun, first find the large indentation on the cup lid. Position the unit so the indentation is at 10 o'clock. Invert your spray gun with the adapter already attached. Pull the gun trigger. Align the air cap of the spray gun so it's pointing toward 12 o'clock. Now place the gun's adapter into the opening on the lid. Make a 3/4 turn until the gun's adapter is locked into place in the lid, and the adapter's lip makes contact with the top of the disposable lid. But don't flip it over yet. Keep the gun and cup inverted while you carry it to the spray booth. Don't shake it. Connect the air hose, still keeping the gun and cup inverted. Pull trigger to draw air through the lid's vent tube to remove paint from the tube. You will see the air bubble inside of the cup. This venting will maximize fluid flow. Now you're ready to flip over the gun and spray. Remember to keep the gun generally upright while painting. The Snap and Flow system is not designed to paint upside down. When you're finished painting or when you need a refill, unhook the air hose from the spray gun. Invert the gun so the cup is pointed down. Pull the trigger to allow fluid to flow back into the cup. Go back to the mix table and set the unit down like so. Holding the cup and lid unit, turn the gun counterclockwise to remove the gun and adapter from the lid. If the paint job is complete, properly clean the spray gun according to the manufacturer's instructions. If there is remaining paint that needs to be saved and stored, there are two options. For short-term storage, there's a special plug included with the lids. Insert this into the adapter opening in the lid. Then store the cup and lid assembly inverted, which allows the filter to remain wet with paint. For longer-term storage, use a flat lid to replace the lid and filter. To do this, remove the Snap and Flow lid by placing your thumbs on the top of one side of the cup. Reach your fingers around and under the cup lip and pry open. As the lid starts to come up on one side, rotate the cup 180 degrees and do the same on the other side. Remove the lid and properly dispose of it. Snap the flat lid onto the paint cup for storage. If you need to refill your paint in the middle of a job, here's what you do. Have an empty cup standing by. Open the Snap and Flow lid, remove the lid, and temporarily set it onto the empty cup. Measure and mix your paint as directed before. Be especially careful when reattaching the lid. Make sure your face is not over the lid opening, because the paint is now on both sides of the strainer. A small amount of material may spray upward as air pressure is introduced into the cup when the lid is attached. After snapping the lid in place, reattach the spray gun as you did before. Now you're ready to paint again. That's how simple it is to use the Snap and Flow disposable paint cup system by DeVilbiss Automotive Refinishing. It's so easy, you'll be finished in no time.